Unlock seamless business opportunities with the Government of India by mastering the essentials of the GeM portal. To start, we will explore the key benefits of GeM. Transparency is ensured by removing middlemen, minimizing corruption. Procurement is streamlined through a user-friendly interface, adding efficiency. Sellers are guaranteed timely payments, crucial when dealing with larger entities. Steps to navigate the GeM platform. Visit the GeM website to begin your tender search. Create a seller account for tender participation. Ensure registration is smooth for success. Building on this, access exclusive features on your dashboard. Log into your account for exclusive access. Access various features not available to unregistered users. In addition, explore the Bid BOQ section. Find tenders by category, by organization, by location, and by bid closing date. Mastering keyword utilization will aid your search. Expedite your tender search by using business-related keywords. This simplifies finding tenders relevant to your industry. Explore government contracts efficiently by leveraging GeM. GeM provides direct access to buyers, removing middlemen. It connects sellers with government offices nationwide, boosting opportunities for large-scale contracts. As we wrap up, remember the GeM portal expands your market reach with government deals. Thank you for watching.